Well done. I wonder whether you managed to be noun detectives. Let's have a look and see. Can you check your thinking with me? So, the first one we had was a duck. Is a duck a person? No. Is a duck a place? No. Is it a thing? Yes, a duck is a thing. Well done. Now a child. Person, place or thing? You're all shouting at me. You are right. A child is a person. Well done. A tree. Is a tree a person? Is a tree a place? Somewhere where I can go? Or is a tree a thing? Yes, a tree is a thing. And finally, a park. Is a park a person? No. Is it a place? Yes! The whole place in the picture is a park, which means the park is a place. Well done. You managed to sort those nouns into people, places and things. Now let's move on to our second part of our lesson, looking at common and proper nouns, our new key words. Let's get started. Now we know what nouns are. Now we need to learn that there are different types of nouns. Common nouns, there's one of our key words. Common noun. Well done. Common nouns name people, places and things, but they do not need a capital letter. For example, let's have a look at this picture. We can see a man. The word man is a common noun, so it doesn't need a capital letter. Wheelchair. The wheelchair is a thing that doesn't need a capital letter. Ball. That doesn't need a capital letter either. A common noun. And jumper. These are all common nouns. Well done. I wonder if you could get your pointing finger to point to the two common nouns. I'm going to read them for you. Hat. Bright. Running. Park. You're looking for those two things that are nouns. Can you pause the video and point? Well done if you pointed to hat and park. The word bright is actually a describing word to describe something, and running is something that we do. Hat and park are both nouns. A hat is a thing and a park is a place, and they are common nouns. Well done. So, we have looked at our common nouns. We also have proper nouns. Proper nouns is another one of our key words. Proper nouns. Well done. Proper nouns name specific people, places and things. Because they're so specific to them, that means they need a capital letter. That's where our last key word comes in. Capital letter. Let's have a look at some examples. King Charles is a specific person, which means his name can't look like this. It needs capital letters. A Cardiff Castle, which is a castle in Wales, that is a specific place, which means they need a capital letter. And the Royal Mile, a place in Edinburgh, because it's a specific place, needs a capital letter. Well done. I have a true or false for you. You could show me with a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Are you ready? Proper nouns always need a capital letter. Is that true or is it false? Remember, proper nouns are specific people, places and things. True or false? Well done if you are pointing to true. Proper nouns always need a capital letter because they are specific people, places and things. Fantastic. So we now know that proper nouns always have a capital letter. But common nouns don't need a capital letter. Let's have a look at some examples. Common nouns, such as flower, jam, hat, brother. Those nouns could be used for so many different things, so they don't need a capital letter. They are common nouns because they come up in lots of different places and things. Now let's look at some proper nouns, like the name Sophia, and you can see it has a capital letter. The place, Blackpool, and that's actually the town that I am from, and it needs a capital letter. Stonehenge, a really amazing place to visit. And King Street, so the name of any street or lane or avenue that you might live on needs a capital letter because they are proper nouns, specific people, places and things. Now we are going to sort the nouns into the correct column. We have common nouns on the left and proper nouns on the right. Are we ready? The first one I have is Edinburgh Castle. That sounds like quite a specific place. Can you point? Is it common noun or proper noun? I'll give you 5 seconds. Well done. It's a proper noun. And I know that because it has a capital letter and it's a specific place. Are you ready for the next one? A star. Is a star a common noun or a proper noun? 5 seconds. Well done. A star is a common noun. It doesn't have a specific name, which means it's a common noun, so it doesn't need a capital letter. Are you ready for the next one? Kamal. I taught a child called Kamal. A common noun or a proper noun? Can you point now? 5 seconds. Well done, a proper noun. And I know that because it's the name of somebody and it has a capital letter. Final one. The word bag. I took my bag to the shop. Is that a common noun or a proper noun? Can you point now? Well done. A bag is a common noun. It doesn't have a specific name for something, but it is a noun because it is a thing. Fantastic sorting. Well done.